Yo, what's up, Spider fans? Oh, why did I say that? Welcome back. There's not really any big changes here recently. Like, nothing's really changed at all. Like, my room looks completely the same, honestly. Like, so yeah, I'm a bit late on the LED trend. That's my bad, but that's not the point of today's video. Today's video is actually really good. I'm about to reveal it right now.
We get it. We saw the thumbnail. We know where it is. No, shut up.
Let's go! My awesome Aunt Rachel and my amazing Mom Annette got me this PS5 right here. And I thank them so much for it. Actually, that whole side, I think, pitched in. So, thank you, Dad, and maybe possibly Uncle Brett. I'm pretty sure this was a family effort from them. So, I'm extremely happy. But today, that's not the point. We actually need to unbox it real quick. So, let me try to find a knife and cut it open. This is the worst camera angle I've ever made, but we're gonna be unboxing this thing, so let's just get right into it. So enough said. Let's get into the PS5 unboxing. So first, I'm gonna lean it towards you so that you can see what I'm doing. There is a bit of tape right here, so I'm gonna have to cut it real quick with my knife. It's super sharp. I wouldn't recommend using it if you're not with parents, because I'm pretty sure most people getting this are like either little kids or adults that are actually responsible with knives. But never use a knife without parental supervision. So now that we got this part done, let's actually get this thing out. Alright, now it's time to get this thing out here. Let's just tilt it to where you can see it. Sorry, my camera's moving in like 50 different directions. Alright, this should be good. So it's still not working. Alright, this is gonna work better. So now that I actually got a good angle, let's get this thing out. Done. Wait, I can't get it out. What the heck? Now that we got this part out, let's get the actual console out of here. So I'm gonna have to remove these flaps right here, as you can see, I think. And I'm gonna have to open this thing up. And voila! I think I got it open. Now, what do I want to do after this? So I noticed there's a little hole here. Now, oh, we got the power cord. Then we got the PlayStation manuals, which you will probably need if you're new to PlayStation. I honestly don't know how a PS5 works, so I might have to need these later. And then, oh, yeah, I like this part. I'm going to unveil the controller to you guys. Let's see what you guys think about this slick controller. That is some neat stuff. I like this controller. Gotta say, I like this better than the PS4 controller. It's bigger, looks sturdier, and I don't know, it just has a really cool design. So that's the controller for you. I'm just gonna set that aside and get to the console, or whatever's next. I have no idea what comes next after that. Oh, I think this is the HDMI cord. Here, there, oh, you can't even see. I think this is either the charge cable or the HDMI cord. Yeah, it's HDMI, I think. Alright, so that's over with. Oh wait, we got something else. Nope. I got the stand, and when I'm probably gonna need it. And here's that good old HDMI cable. So now we got all that stuff out of the way. Let's get to the actual console. This is the big one. So I'm gonna have to get a good display for this one. Done. My cane. So I'm gonna try to unravel this thing and I'll show it to you guys. This is the PS5. Yeah. Cool PS5. It's a really, this is slick. It looks way better than that box. Well, gotta appreciate the PS4. It's a good console as well, but this is just new gen. Alright, here's the thing. I got lucky with this one. I didn't get it on Christmas, but it's kind of late how it came. But man, I didn't even think about how big this thing was. This is huge. I don't even know if I could fit it over there, can I? We'll find a way. So guys, I got a new Wi-Fi router. Yeah, stupid meme. It's dead. I'm just really glad I caught this thing. And I'm probably just gonna put it back where it came from, so that, I'm probably just gonna put it back in the box so that we can hook it up later. But the looks of it, I gotta give it like a solid 8 out of 10 because it looks like a Wi-Fi router, but I mean, it still looks pretty clean. I mean, you gotta appreciate it. Like, I mean, look at this thing. Still can't believe I got it today. And all my games that came with it, worth it. Let me just get them out real quick. Get them out from all this junk. Alright, so first of all, I got the new Miles Morales game that I'm really excited about. I got some other games. I got something called Demon Souls. I heard it was good for me, even though it's rated M. There's certain rated M games I can play, so I was verified that it was kind of okay for my age. And last but not least, I got the PS5 copy of Cold War. And this will be really good for when I want to play Cold War on here. Thoughts on the PS5? Awesome. I want to see what you guys think about the PS5 down in the comments below. And no, I'm not a rich, spoiled kid. I am just lucky to have this thing. And I feel sorry for the people who didn't get it yet. Just keep trying and you'll find one eventually. But I got kind of lucky. So I thank the Lord that I got this thing. I also thank my mom and my favorite aunt for getting this PS5 with me. I heard they went through some pain. So that's pretty much it for the PS5. So yeah, it's just gonna be right here, right now. It'll be replacing the PS4. The problem is data transfer. I don't want to do it, but we're gonna have to anyway. So got the PS5. I'm gonna hook it up later and I'll see how it is. That was actually supposed to be the ending of the video, but we got it set up and stuff, and you see that? Oh my, I love that. I love it. Now, okay, I'm just trying to make this a short video. The PS5 is a 10 out of 10 in my book. It's amazing, and yes, I am spoiled, so expect me to brag about it. I'm sorry for all the people who can't get it. Honestly, I don't blame you. PS4 is amazing, so you can use that as well. So, sorry, I ran into technical. I'll see you all later.